There. My posse game now. You got to my point now. I wouldn't worry like you. No worry, wagon. Worry, wagon. Worry, they are you. Son, you are no encouragement. She's my wife. On a corner, she was my wife and ready for me this early morning. You get to my point now. Still arise, and I couldn't tell you, okay? Who don't my wagon. I have my ways, what is 16 years, you know? 14 years. They are not get you down. You marry of extra time. Oh, I'm a man, not more. Why your power, man? With your pin yash. Oh my God! Onimo. I have a live video. I mean, you but why you what are you kumako? Look my rice. Hello. Drop no with brown. Put my camera stand. My phone stand. Young phone ayo. There. Give me this one. Oh my God. Oh God, no. They got me up see Yanni Wagmo. Oh God, no. On your one, so one day be you. Oh God, no. Umenwan you see Yanni, you. Oh, are you me? Oh God, no. Go back. What you like the horse? I don't go what talk? You don't know. Almost not you question. Almost not you know, ma. Then you want is what? Don't know why you know so. Oh, back there. You know, but I got a monkey. Do anything back more. Okay, man, I'm here, Kevin. I can see a friend vegan. There's some more you are. You are misbehave. Who beating you back? Who big a devil? Oh God. Not here, but they don't go better. Well, bonai. So magic. They don't know what's about there. You're not going to Oswald. Who demanded this to be at Oswald? You're not going to Oswald. Now you're not here. Am I with writing? Oh, what can I know about more? I start to see. La glass milk me yawo lekwa. The disposable cup me. That's my arm point. Tennis na one area. And juice. Where tennis are area. Wahala is the most tennis you are. You wow, fresh. I don't go very high. What you love like you? Malaki no man. You do want Malaki. No one arrive near one. I will come and no one else. That will news get and the way he was, you will see. No, now I will come. Use eri maye yo, Emma. I guess you said Nikoka, Emma, oh, Ari con ho, Candy. This is my wife. Now school. Oh, you know did it. That's why I like her. That's why I love her. You know they do like all this JC. Because say better than I go home so JC get. So JC body. Oh, I better than I go say JC body. Don't go play. Oh. Is your ogbeide? What are you so big so bad about it? Okpe romance solve a problem in Nigeria, in Red State. After what the mark on the especially the UK, Italy, especially Italy, who it is like a UK. No one I win and make a Pocomo, who are from where you big beer. Okay, as I know, okay, as you go, you know. And we had to go Wawa. I might have the latest of this. Me wa kwa mangri ko wa. Ye ko wa. Ngwe bie awanyo. Oh, ngame no wa me o. Lawo. Oni ko je mi chop na. Onimo. Onimo. Iniesta. Zenato. No war. Onimo. Babe. Bale macho. Babe. On me chop now. Let me know if you finish this food. Yeah? Don't carry your tape for you now. Cause it my friends. Cause join me now. Don't see two persons they chop the sweet. They cook. You must cook finish. Tomorrow my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday and my son's birthday. Onimo. Only don't post my picture. Breaking news. Onimo. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Oh, breaking news. Breaking news. I never hear that. I never hear that. Do my drink, I want you. I'll drink like today. I'll drink for bottle. Tomorrow I'll go buy one. I'll go drink with one hot gin. Tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow I need to appease the gods. Tomorrow I need to appease the gods of social media. The gods that make me go far. Tomorrow. Today is my birthday. No, tomorrow is my birthday. Today I'm breaking. I don't break this news. I don't want to break bad news tomorrow. I don't want to break bad news tomorrow. I'll break the news today. Share this video and power tap. Let me break the news. Let me break it. Onimo. Champions League. Onimo. Who sent a message? I got a message. We got the updates. We got the update. We got the message. We got the message. Okay, just now this person with the same message. So now the woman who the saga yesterday concerning Osa's collection. We will talk about yesterday. When I first share this video first, sharp. Okay, they send me more photos. But I may wait. I do something now. Hello. I greet you. What up, you?
He said that this thing, the posting paper and the tracking order.
Okay, well, you know.
Well, my head been there, but so now I'm here. When Thursday or Friday,
okay, Thursday or Friday, okay, Wahala. I call it the person. I call it the person. Because if you have forward the money, I forward the green call it.
Okay.
All right.
So, I'll help you. I know what.
Go ahead.
That's not that.
Go ahead.
Now, well, they will look at you.
Well, we come back.
Because I was talking about it. But I'm telling got time about it. You know, soon. So we anyway.
Are we having? What we not having?
I want you something.
What you say? On me.
You don't tell me something.
What you say working?
What you say?
I'll be hosting.
What you say working for? Yes or no? Man, I'm sorry.
What you say? It won't be calabahin. What you say? Okay.
But I went to told him, man. That's what you say. I won't stay in Gemina.
I just want to know what you're giving me now.
But it's only question now. Or that?
It will not be me, but it's Italy.
Because you go so I will ask you, but say you were.
What do you mean?
You go, I will ask you. It's you.
I
will ask you to do what you want. What I have to say, what are you doing? What are you
doing?
You might look at it.
Do not be a Hussein.
Okay, they can look at it.
Okay, that's your street. That's your street. On the street in Wabuai.
Street in Wabuai.
Don't era kuseri abi kuseri. Iya ba fekin. Pati de Hussein.
Iya ba bata. Bata tira me mare. Your mother love will I will say.
This recent one be before the former one.
Not be Lorana. Not be we see.
Okay. Let me see. Where are we saying?
Otera not be we see.
Otira be with you, okay? It will be so. Okay.
But also not be me also me now.
So what I want?
Because if I can't but no so more kind. You know, if you want to be barrier, social media ya kale.
This couldn't way you say. This could.
I want to know about it. How she may have when you know.
This could you say. This could you.
I tell my body.
Oh, I can't believe you. Wow. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. This coming on you, sir. After time, but I don't know. Okay, confirm. Pass, but go to sir. Ketiri. Ketiri. How you have boko? Okay. Then, unyi. If you say you as a businesswoman, they are always truthful. They are very straightforward.
You understand?
You saying? What you saying? You'll be calabar saying. Brother, boss the Kodinabi.
Because not every other last. If I don't have my way here, we pay to Ella. Oh, what? We can't have one again, for no soon. We have to, of course, we again, and I pay nowhere. And then the woman, because of ties, I will be aware. Here, I will make it one life. And I know how Salopua, or only the Hanasu. Woman else, Salopua, you fellow. Iman, see you that way. Any other replant, plan to stay down. Okunle tèmi official appreciate it. For my son or CS on all those and I do tell you my can time me. I do a time on. I near already.
Well,
and I have a can make a melody goma.
no, Allah. No, yeah, it's very good to them. That's the way we do. Man of time. The coming here, there is a very one of them now. So, I don't know. When the people are complete battle, well, into my 19 because Osioma.
I know when I go wrong. When it's here, we book of it, you understand? And so to our way, you have to tell you what to do. Just you head to pony. For me, Shai said, you understand? Or Sablo Pog, a head out of it. And that's all of the opinion. Yes, I'm a post here. Okay, you will essa. E posso querer agora ter tábua de cá posso querer, mamãe, eu vou na poe. E aqui posso poe. Mas agora se me posso querer, a mamigo, a rede na tua casa.
Où est mon dieu?
Oh, dia mais pour la départ.
Non, voilà.
E eu mamãe, eu vou para eu vou. A mamãe ele filho para te ver, ele vejo como ir bonde. E tu não tem ir ganhar. Ah, oh. E ni ele bushi mao. E mo le ke le ri go ma. O me le ri o ime. O le si wa ko ke ti janu.
Non, là, attends. Ok? Voilà, alors. Il y a mieux, il y a le goût, il y a le colis.
The problem is not, Baba.
All right, take care.
No more, I say, okay.
Yeah. Wago me we be na igbino e. We na so go no kan go. You can say bad girl. Wago me we na igbino e o. You need to run your break. Oh. Yesterday, now I see this woman outside. Yesterday, when the second woman, I see outside woman. Not like you. When she called yesterday, now I see now we send her now. The greet way she greets me, nothing else in outside woman. But I just lock up, do my business. You understand? Do what is right. Not so because now my own sister. You fuck up and give her a home. We forget her wrong. Straight down. That's what I mean. Yesterday, no, yesterday I know when you call. You understand? When they greet me, the lie yesterday. The popular greeting when they greet for sale. As he greeted her yesterday, bam! I don't know, so now so gonna be this one. You understand? Now I see no brother come and say that boy now, my son, my brother. But it's all good. The most important thing is say, make people receive their goods because as I just talk my house now. Why do you make it here? Hello? How are you? Huh? No, never check him, never check him. How are you? I didn't have you at the shop price. You put it in my account. Tell me the truth. You put it in my account. I never check it. I never open my app. Jesus. Let me say this my birthday go bomb. This my birthday go blast. Tao gracia. Gracia. No, wala, go check him. They give chance. What's the scene? No. Somebody say bless me. I don't see him. Somebody bless me with 80 euros. What a bullshit. 80 euro. 80 euro. 80 euro. Somebody bless me with 80 euro. Little. That is how I'll buy champagne tomorrow. Hey, go, my birthday go shock. My birthday go shook. My birthday go shook tomorrow. I want to tell the person thank you. When everything I say thank you. Thank you. See this life. And I want to say money to my account yesterday. I was supposed to bless me since yesterday. If you want to bless my birthday, because I have to send you your account number. You understand? You say, send me your account number. I will send that for you. For anything in your mind. I agree to now. Breaking news. Frank Amazwa. What's the breaking news? Break the news, let us hear. Breaking news. One thing. When I share the video, maybe if I go break this news, baby, I don't be the phone. Me a drip here. Don't be the phone. You just say, you be no, you be. Parfait. When I power tap, you guys are not power tapping my videos. You're not sharing the videos. You're just there listening to a muzzle. Power tap on your broadcast, man. Power tap on this broadcast, bro. You see, Baba with the smile, Shema, or Chairman. It's the chairman of all chairman. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Today, my mother was in labor. Tomorrow, she was rushed to labor room. Tomorrow, Papa will stand with jump out. You get to my point now. About the man will jump out from the mother's womb. So when I say, tomorrow, a mother will jump out from its mother's womb. Will not be crying. Inyamadi. Bombokla. Hello, I see you. Don't be smart, you. Somebody give me €80 for my birthday. Oh, sir, Sunday. Oh, Kagbe himself. Oh, Kagbe himself. Oh, Kagbe himself. Kagbe Afana. That's the word of Kagbe of Salt and Water Ministry. Iwedu Jamakako Koyo Imunawa Wagbile Wa mi ayo jemi Kanu wa mi ayo jemi ba Wa mi ayo uyemo Wana akoda uyemo be dia wana re wero modo e jemi se wero mo very wicked country if Germany country jam you, you are finished. Ege German jam you, German jam you, you will regret why you come abroad. It's a country that will frustrate you. When you may have done here, but you may have to motor. If you work €2 plus in there.
If we are €2 plus, you are not one can't boyana.
And I'm also not till that time. So they will Nigeria, but it's not €1,300, €1,300 before. Yeah, complete with Nigeria, the latest 1,300. And now they may have there with Phyllis in your minds, €2 plus. But what did €2? But €2 I two naira in Nigeria. 2 naira. I want to Nigeria. Okay, just wait. €2 in Nigeria is about 3,000 naira. We have a company
3,500.
You know, when the little 1,300 naira. 1,300 naira we had the town. Made the little, I'm referring to the town. €2 for the little. We have completed. I want Nigeria. So okay, forget me. You never forget it. I will attack the Nigeria dog with I get the only way. It's never not logos on me. In a Nigeria, the dog was in the Messiah who have seen. You don't get you are a jobless person beneath. You must to me winner. But the jobless in the Obo. Do a winner. Do a winner. We will never be. Do you come for us for long? Police are control the problem. No. When we are here, the police will go excuse me, the document, your passport in Nigeria. All of them. The police not control your passport. We have a passport. In Nigeria, police don't have control where you don't have a passport. So it's well organized. You understand? Now be smart too. Not be Nigeria. Since the cost, every year was now with the sister. Where? I will be Zika booking. Yeah, you boy. I will be not answer. The beer done. Beer done. Back I want is €2. €2. I calculated €2 in Nigeria. Nothing. €2. And what ban? And if you hear that smell, you may use it on the hand. I'm like, well, come on, is a back when I'm a beer packet on the river. Eh, go, yeah. Oh, how I hear you marry. No, then I even marry you. What is that? Onimo, you know, gonna marry a young girl. A young money piece, you know what? A dead. I am a social media. Every day, I have to do media. Imagine. Even when they already media, I'm asking a ball.
That's what says I don't. I got some cash.
Ọjọ́ wo kó yọ o. Yọ wo rí ayé náà. Yọ wo náà mo náà ká. Wá yí gómìnà. Ọjọ́ wo mẹ́rin náà dùn. Máyà náà yẹ dùn. Yọ wo. Ọjọ́ wo publishing extension. You know what? With time. Because we are jobless human beings. You can imagine now, this is my other work. You climb up, you know, you climb up. They are using me to while away time. You are here the fabrical work. Oh, wow, I have a table who sack on money. If I can never sack on. Oh, boom. You push us in that yellow. Now, breaking news to evil lady of song, Esther Edokpayi. Esther Edokpayi, down what's to Unazagotu, not better Benin musicians in Benin. Oh, I will a governor. Esther Lady of Evil. Bon, we like governor. Et les piments. Ah, ouais. Venez, IZZY, nous. Oui, on y a d'autres ailleurs. On carre. On y mon. Drôme, où y a. Drôme, avec moi. Oui, que vous voyez, quand je donne ma gare. Et pas de qui me rame. Mais c'est mon nom. Let me call you from this side. Hello, big papa. It's you. That's what it is. Yeah. Okay. You are on the 31st the right with a bit of the toy. Check out mom. Because when they come, huh? You say? Okay. No what? You lodge for hotel. No Wahala. Let's see how it goes. If I don't shoot for life, I'll call you back. Go ahead, that. They were good. Tuesday. Take care. Ciao, ciao.
Hello, good morning, sir. How was your night? How is family doing? How is business? My name is Kenji Ward. What's your number from the influence? Try to disturb your sir. I have an issue with my business. He said I should reach out to you that you can help me out concerning it. And I supposed to cash out 2 days ago. Supposed to cash out 2 days ago, but I have an issue with my account. I cannot cash out. So till they clear the payment, I was unable to cash out till they clear the payment. So they told me that if I
Told you what?
Told me that if I did not finish my setup, I may not be able to cash out for now. So that's the main reason why I have to reach out to you so that you can put me through, so that you can help me out. Thank you so much, brother. You have a wonderful day. Please let me know when you see my message, because I was told that you are on IG. You understand? But they said I should reach out to you that you may know little about Facebook. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. You have a wonderful day.
a lot to say. I don't even know where one start from. I get a lot to say, but I don't even know where to start from. First of all, let me first say this to Lady of Song, the so-called Lady of Song. You know what I'm saying? Esther Edokpayi. If what I heard is true, you understand? Allegedly. Oh, I'm very sorry, but yeah, I'm very sorry. Despite we have our misunderstanding, our booze, you know what I'm saying? Despite that we have our booze, I'm not a bad person, you know. I'm not a bad person, you know. I don't have anything to lose. When it comes to entertainment, I don't have anything to lose. I'm not a musician, you know what I'm saying? Just doing my thing. You know, when you're doing your thing in the right way, I'm always be support of you. I always support you when you're doing things in the right way. When somebody is trying to oppress you, you know, that's when I'm always angry. When you're oppressing somebody, I'll come for you. You know what I'm saying? Even though you don't come for me, when I see that you're an oppressor, I always come for the oppressor. Oppressee. Now, Lady of Song, I heard that you'll be sacked from the capacity food plug. And you will be sacked from capacity food. Allegedly, that you will be sacked from capacity food plug. You understand now? And the Boso has stacked you. Oh, I need to drink beer, mom. Oh, where my wife give me beer. Oh. That capacity food plug sacked you. Is that true? Hello? Ladies and gentlemen, I have this money that since yesterday the rumors have been going on that capacity food blog sacked Lady of Song, Destiny Ebagua wife. Is that true? If not, I don't know, but I don't reach Ambo, I don't see the paper. Now waiting a year. But if it is true, go still my brother beg. You go revoke and back lao will be believing. Hey my brother, Oligbese for say I must greet you, Baba Wato. I see you. Thanks for the gift. I appreciate you. What? I be your Ghana before man to Bamurege. Brother, do something. But yes, Oligbese in the building. I must off work. What? I greet you. Whether your dog. But when I did for stadium that year, I see you with dog. I greet you, brother. What off work? You understand? So, my brother Ibustone, I just gotta beg you. If not true, I beg. You go, I beg, call that woman back because now, for Europe side, you ain't like Weibo because you're born in one day. If I know you have a follow up, you understand? So, you go call them back. Forget say me and she get bass buzu, but normally, at least small thing we see the chop for them and still something. You understand? You call them back. Esther with Esther back. But Esther, yeah, stop your frauding. That's your fraudulent acts. If I can work in this spread something. The reason why you get problem. Now your frauding lifestyle. Do a man feel belly cool. My way problem, bro. My problem. Who work in Destiny? My problem. Destiny my guy before. You understand? So in snitch, that make me get problem with her. You don't feel call me your brother, your blood. If me want expose you, I go expose you clear for social media. Everybody go know. But you they pass back, they bite me for back. If I catch you, I go expose you. Me and you get problem. You understand? We be Bini, you go see you're not Bini woman. Go say, Destiny, take this money, help me carry my pikin come abroad. You go chop the money, you go see the voice for the woman, you will embed the woman. The woman fear not gonna let the woman talk to you. And another kind of thing that me hates. That's why me and you get problem. We are by 419. Me and you not get problem. You can't be a 419, become friend, and become brother to me. The eye they look like they look me. You don't understand? I was you by vacuum. See, even on this glass of beer now, Bible sincerity, I drink can. I better pass you a drink anything. Not be joke or Brussels because if I go my taloma, not be rest I chop soon. So people fit chop fried rice, people fit chop anything with the fit chop, man their own. He goof my system. I know the jealous you above where. So no one know when we go still do my own tomorrow. You understand? Iya o ye miere Esther woya sinwa. E kere no me what so working. But bro, now just song that they sing, or not they follow my song. Kere no any master working, mama. A master working. E kere when I never know ever. You want to block other people's way. See this little girl now, still cute. No, I have the petition against the Abuja. All musicians, many musicians, they lock up. They know, I'm not concerned here. Now they fly, they come Europe now. Europe tour. See what I say. If we not do well, the work go this sweet for us. We be bini. Maya koyari guma because of the bad ones we dey inside. When no say one time, they go say that you be the bad person because you dey kick against the evil what they do. Not only wise bini people know say, I don't hate any bini man. I don't hate any bini woman. The problem where I get with you now it's a pride, ego. I will not get, nobody from not get. The one we get, go just want to get the go. No one make the young one grow. The young shall grow. Why only the not talk one? Now just imagine now, Esther, you do a Edo talent hunt. Person way win, where you promise the whole world, so you will give her in car. I remember you see someone say come talk on social media. You see her. Today now they hear and say they just sack you for capacity lodge. Your husband, if I wear your husband last week, win from government tax. I mean, I qualify for it now. I wait for it. Pride. It's a big money no see and you know. You see, the juju what they do. If you want fade now, once big. You see where the juju they go down. Big. Oh yeah, deal back big. What desirable looking? Make una they do well. Me, I go back for you. Because now, Destiny. Big money, thank you very much. Destiny, they just sack Destiny. Ebagua now. You now, if they see sack you for that, oh, now you are more way attacking. You see? Now you are more way attacking. Oh, so that's that. Me I play PS, me I play game, Oh, tell me, I'm more ready. Oh, where the talk here? Why you see? A Boston now Bini brother. A Boston now our own brother. Destiny now our own brother. Esther now our sister. You understand? If you get what Esther do or a Boston and Destiny get issue, because I don't say Boston happen. As far as say Boston and Sylvester, they don't when to remove Destiny from government house. The next person is Esther. Oh, well, let's go collect one beer. Go ahead. If I didn't knock this kind of matter, I want to drink beer put. In life now, you both can say, I know, nothing lasts forever. Our sister Esther Edokpayi, if not true, allegedly not true, so they really sack you from capacity full plug. That means the juju way they do the work again. You need to repent, come to my ministry and join my ministry. You understand? You need to join my ministry. It's for real, you know. You need to join my ministry, my dear. I won't lie you. Because it's when you take get back boss. When you promise the whole world saying that you go buy me. You promise the whole world saying that you or so nyeme. No be say. Now you go buy me. Say ya come away. Who will you say? Will you say? Ya come away. As another say. As another. Yeah. You don't know what you put handle. Not me they fight you. Now my ancestors they fight you. Now my ancestors, now they disgrace you, now they draw you down. Esther Edokpayi. Mogbuwe, Nika, Ebokpayi. No, with that matter. I told you, despite you are my brother, you're my friend. When you say you are tired. You understand? Make the bell boka. Iya no with that me want time without the matter. All the luwe kon all see we cut all. Anywhere you plan evil against to member you win. Very simple. You get my point now. You know where? Mama, you where I'm going. Because I stand for truth. The evil that you are doing that I'm exposing, that I know, and you know, that I'm exposing, that is haunting you. That you don't want people to know, but you're making people to know. That you are against that. If you try to remove people from the way, you go feel continue your evil. Edika Ekwena. Man, you got my point now. It's very simple. But do where? I say my sister. Iye-eki ni kede, iye-eki ni iye-eki ne salobo wesebe. Iya owe yere, kere ni me go samoke. Oye mama, awo gero ji, jebo yebo. Ayowa, ojuku, ojekia. Esta no jekia. Dawa enta. Esta no jekia. Jesus. There's second staff for capacity full plug. Hey. Now, that is for Esther. Let's go to the latest updates we have now for Benin for Benin Summer Space. Hey, Papa with this man, I want to know. Where do they call her? IZZY. No be ogbeide. Your own father will go prison very soon. Go mark with me, I tell you soon. Who's calling my phone? Iye-eki ni kede, iye-eki ni iye-eki ne salobo wesebe. Oh boy. Oh God damn it. Even when we are going, I want you. Yes. Let me stand my phone. All right. Iye-eki ni kede, iye-eki ni iye-eki ne salobo wesebe. Yeah, Trunko. Thank you. Thank you, my lord. Oh, we're coming on it. 150 years old, Agbawa. 150 years old, I'm doggy me. A solo. Yeah, solo. All right. Yeah, you start big game now. Some vibe here with the play game. Get to my point now. We're out for 15 minutes after 1. 15 minutes after 1, we're out. But I don't even know where. Everybody can go by itself, don't concern me. Iye-eki ni kede, iye-eki ni iye-eki ne salobo wesebe. I'm not doing it again, babe. Babe, do you hear? I say you must start Esther. Okay, now this my wife with the form oli. With the form oli. Mommy G and M. Salute boy. Any bun wa when show me now. Mommy G and M. Mommy G. Mommy G and M. No, yeah, G and M. Mommy God and man. What? IZZY ogbeide. Ariobe Edo State my gba ore of here no so Edo State. Ewu ni gbe agene IZZY omoro yu IZZY ogbeide mulati. Even IZZY ogbeide ta government ga woni egele we ni IZZY ogbeide ta ni. Iko ni bo na wa he bo de bo nya mo gwa. Yes. including the so-called IZZY ogbeide, unless they marry me one of the. Because most of these women, they don't have confessing now. They are also human traffickers too. You understand? They are also human traffickers. Many of them are human traffickers. Hello? Okay. You get my point now. Many of these women, where they come and they call the sad guys here, all of them are human traffickers. Now, not be so that one. Now, Muri. Or I say, big again. You have a moment. I'll come out later on my YouTube channel to come and. I don't want to talk for this matter of news now, show. And so I'm be show. And all this one, all those matter. I don't want to talk with because you don't think we have to talk that for social media. You understand? I don't want to talk with, but now I'll consider again, come and analyze that IZZY ogbeide video about this show matter where they talk so with the trend for TikTok since how many days now. The funniest part, many of these women too. Why are you buffing? Not be loud. Many women will put out their hand for problem they don't know. They can never know. IZZY ogbeide forgetting our UKD. You understand? Washa, you might blame IZZY, only blame Naga. Okbeani no mu the woman in your wife, the woman in your a boy in the woman in your wife, that boy. Some made the trial, some made it. I'm not gonna lie you. Some made the trial because of money. And I go tell them where the OT they go, why the OT they go like this now. Why the OT they go like this now? Because of say Facebook gonna pay again as before. I keep Facebook now. Hello? Yeah, iye-eki.
Recently partnered with our office, Edo State Migration Agency, sending their students on internship to learn from us on what we do on area of rehabilitation, practical area. So what we do is we have social workers, just like the way they have it in abroad. We have our social workers here who support victims, who discuss with them, who make them to realize who they are, that traveling on irregular routes is not the end of the world for them. There can always be a restart. I know how traumatized many of the return migrants can be because I'm in the sector. I know how they will be after 3 months of rehabilitation.
Do they have trained therapists for the victim? Okay.
I said earlier, we hire plenty of persons. Because when I came, we met just 3 staff. Just 3 government staff. So I have to go send a memo to His Excellency, the governor of Edo State. And he approved us to hire in more professionals. As a matter of fact, that department of rehabilitation is headed by a PhD holder, a doctor, a professional. That is a strategy department that we don't joke with in the migration agency. Maybe when you come to Nigeria, you can have a tour to the agency to see us more well in physical instead of just online.
Why communes?
We can't hear you.
I was muted there, sorry. I would always refer to how I got help and support, you know, by the government recognizing that I was a victim of human trafficking, and a lot of help was provided for me. I know you've been saying so many things, and it doesn't sound like the provision is there for the people, because you have to refer to the governor to provide it. That's what it sounds to me. Please educate me if I'm wrong. I want to be sure to stand by this. You might just say it's social media. Social media is powerful. It's a tool where you can reach victim and you can also reach the right authorities. And one thing I know about social media in reality is two different words. And you can use one to tackle the other, and the both words can come together and work together. I know with the way I do my videos and stuff, because if it's not that dramatic, I don't think attention will be paid to what victims go through. I see go through a lot. I know what I go through. When I'm having babies, everything comes back, it go crazy because it's post-traumatic stress disorder. Something triggers it and it just go. So with the victim who have been through this, I want to be assured, because I will come to Nigeria not to enjoy, but to come to the organization, the agency, to sit and talk and go, to know that the victim I am advocating for, when they come here, they will get support. It doesn't need to be a lot. It's that team that will investigate, because my case was investigated and found out I was a victim of human trafficking. I was actually compensated in 2023. After they've given me papers, I've gone on my way and just enjoying my life. All of a sudden, I got a letter from the Home Office that I've been granted, I think it was £1,750, because I'm a victim of human trafficking. This is a compensation for you. They gave me compensation, not the other support they've given me. So, do we have this ready for? I know it's not going to be perfect. We're not UK. We're Nigeria. Due to us, our level as Nigeria, the way we operate, is this organization different from what we know? Because this is victim of human trafficking, and most of them are young. They are female children who need support. Is there this system built in Ajose? I don't mind writing a letter to the governor and sit with the governor and speak with him and ask, is this organization something we invest in, knowing children are involved? Girls, children who are supposed to be in school. My husband told me a research that he did, that 9.5 million girls in primary school are out of school. They're not in school who are supposed to be in school. Is this organization different? Is this something the Excellency is, you know, her first lady, is this something they fully invest in, knowing that these are victims that have been they've been through a lot, saying things they shouldn't see, go do things they shouldn't do at all. It's something they should not be exposed to. They've been through it. It is traumatizing. And it might not look like I'm traumatized. I don't know any other way but to be strong and look this like, oh, she's all this, right? I don't know any other way to survive life. I want to know, because there are millions or thousands like myself who are like this, who kept it, and now it's coming up. If they decide to say, yes, they trafficked me now, last year I come, they carry me go Russia, they carry me go here. I didn't know I could get help. Is this an organization? They will come and not be disappointed. They'll be fully investigated, supported, follow through the process, and given the right help that they desire. Please, can you please answer this for me? Thank you so much.
Personally, I believe in practical governance. I don't believe in PowerPoint. I believe in reality. Send us some cases to handle for you, and you get the results. You'll see how it's going to turn out. It's a very simple matters. Like the traffickers, they know the might that we have. We are borderless when we want to walk. We can go extra mile any countries around the world to save our people. And if the traffickers are hiding in anywhere, they can only be lucky if they don't have their embassy here in Nigeria. If the embassy is here, we know what to do. I mean, I don't want to say all, so as to give them an insight how we intend to operate, because most of them are actually here watching. So we are very, very, very careful how we handle matters. And I may have to take you around 1 or 2 stores to see what we have in place to support some traffic victims, so people will understand that we are not just joking. I think one of the stores is far away. I can take you around. 1 minute a bit. Can you see this place? Can you see? Are you seeing that one?
Yes, I can. Yeah, I can. You know, I'm muted because the sound is echoing.
Okay. So how about my side? I can take you around the bigger stores. Most of these things are for victim support. Do you understand? Most of those things are for victim support program. Maybe tell them to open the other store. Let me take you around part of the stores. You see, it's not about we waiting for the governor to act. If you are in the government, why a government is different from a private entity is, you must communicate. Do you understand? You must communicate. Even if it's an autonomous agency, you must communicate so as to know, so as to track how you are doing your job. If, for example, the government is not paying a special attention to strategic agencies, some persons can end up converting that agencies to their personal use. We are Nigerians, so those are part of what we do to reduce this issue of irregular migration. And maybe we may also have to take you around the counseling unit with time, maybe on next video, so you can see what we have and other provisions that we have to support our victims. And also with time, we may take you around some shops to see what we have done in that area. It's not just about bringing them back. It's not just about bringing people back. Remember I told you earlier, we have the ROP model, where they admit, we rehabilitate and reintegrate them back to society. In the area of reintegration, it's about a business startup. People need to know what they call reintegration. It's not just a word, it's an action word. We reintegrate them by supporting them on having their own business. And maybe on the next video call, we can go 1 or 2, 3 businesses to see what we have set up for victims that were once trafficked. Today, they are business owners. And this is what we are leveraging on. This is the way to go and encourage those who want to come back, that when they come back, at least they have something to fall back on. If not, they can still constitute social menace in the society. Then there was a question you mentioned earlier about out-of-school children. Good. You know, like this agency and the Women Affair, we collaborate. Like those children who are underage and those who are in the street, the Women Affair ministry work with us, we work with them as well to see how we can get them out of the street. We have so many videos that I can share with you today as part of the children we have rescued in Ring Road, 2 o'clock midnight. We even had one case of a little boy we rescued that we are currently working on. A 12-year-old boy who went to a brothel to get a woman in a brothel. A 12 years old, 12 years, 1, 2. Currently, we are working on that matters. We are investigating the matters. And as a matter of fact, if found to be true, we are sealing that brothel off. We will have to sell it and use the proceeds to reintegrate the minor, the victim, back to society. We are on the matter seriously. So these are what we do. It's not just about coming here to talk. It's about meaning what you are saying. It's about the reality, not just about saying it on social media without doing it in reality. I know many persons may not be too pleased with what we do, because when you are fighting a crime in Nigeria, how big you mind that the crime will fight back at you?
Yes.
So those are the persons in the Western world, or those in Nigeria too, may not actually like what we are doing right now. That is why if you bring in the police and you bring in the military, many people tell you they prefer the police. You know why? They have an encounter with police. Why the militaries are in the borders, in the forest security, they don't have that encounter on a daily basis. When it comes to migration, that is how it is. That is how many people see like, oh, they won't come off food for our mouth. No. We are not telling you don't do your business, but do your business in the right way. In a way that you don't put another person in a trouble. In a way that you don't to traffic another person enslave someone else for you to earn a living.
How can the victim get in touch? And you said something about integrating, maybe like for them, if they are abroad. How about the ones back home? Is there a way you could help the ones that already maybe deported themselves or came back home? Can they get support from the organization?
Yes, 100%. Many have been supported. And there was a case I fought last 2 weeks. There's a German organization, they call them Irara. We had a meeting with them, they visited us here. I told them the way they are doing their reintegration to me is not making sense in my words to them. Because when victims return back from most of the countries like Germany and the rest, they will tell you within 6 months, if you don't come for support, they won't support you again. Somebody who is back from abroad, are you with me? And you need at least 1 year to cool down your head. You are giving them 6 months. Within that 6 months, whatever you give to them, it's not for them to reintegrate, it's for them to buy clothes and still look like they just came for visiting. I told them to extend at least 1 year and 6 months, where our people can actually benefit better. They told me they were going to take the matter back to
Bro, good morning.
discuss.
Good morning, bros.
Yes, I don't know whether I feel touch or if not just 2 minutes.
Go ahead.
Okay. You see, this thing is the way they is doing so. Fine. She might be thinking she's doing a good job. Fine, she's doing a good job. For the other one she did, is obviously it is very fine to explain, let people know what is going on, and the mothers should save their female children not to trafficking of a thing. Yeah, that is fine, perfectly job. But you see, this one she did today, bringing this man. Most of our brothers and sisters now, who is in the deportation camp, thousands of people are watching this guy just now because I watch her. And those people that are in charge of those deportation, now that is the brother, this guy now with sweet man said everything is gone, they maintain everywhere down, wait for the people. Honestly, anybody they catch right now, it will be going back home straight. They will say that, yes, your people are fine, that the organization have already set everywhere down for you people. So this thing is not really, it's not just making sense. I don't know if anybody should advise this girl to stop this nonsense. It's not helping our people. If she thinks she's helping, this particular man she invited so is not the best. I don't think it's good for our people who are not yet documented.
God bless you. You are very correct. You are right. I felt not yesterday. I talked this yesterday. I said, wait a while, so we not go here. This one they look like child police. So like I say, easy they create content. They use content now. They turn on that thing. They go away. What on they watch now? Easy when they do.
I watch her. Before I come to you now, I watch this girl. I shake my head. Yes, God don't help you. You don't get documents. Most of us don't get. We thank God. But what of people that don't have that? Who is in deportation camp right now? Then the people will be saying yes. The Nigerian people are already waiting for you people. They are good. Everywhere is fine. They watch IZZY. They set your house down in Nigeria. They do that. IZZY is not helping the states. This match invited so right now is going to cause a calamity to people in every Europe country who is in deportation, or even the one that is not even in deportation, who is still looking for documents right now. They will be easy to catch and say, go back to your country. You guys are doing fine. Because the way this man take on now with this sweet man,
good morning.
Give money and do this. My brother is not helping. Somebody should advise this young girl to stop this nonsense. It's bullshit. What's this?
I beg, I think contribute some more. May I quickly come down?
Please stop.
This IZZY of a girl. May I use pidgin? Not use pidgin. This IZZY, now very wicked girl. She's a very wicked woman, very very wicked, and she not know say this content when she want to say it go turn out to be this way. You understand? She thinks say now the ones when she felt they do like 2021, 2020. Then when a lot of people never get TikTok like this. It never go viral. You understand? Not they go viral like that, but not be the way when she think and say it go on her own way. Not be like that. See they go now. And if this thing really follow up, if her father go there problem because the papa there with her for there. Now papa carry her go meet the person when they thought say it help her. First of all, papa go enter kirikiri. She herself she go see enter because she see they promote this thing online. She don't fit do this thing. She dey promote am. She no dey use am take dey advise our young ones say mona not do this thing, say this thing not good. E dey condemn. But she dey promote am. She even don take a lot of women out of their relationship, out of their marriage. She teach them how to sit down on top, how to do a lot of things. So coming out, come dey do all these things just because of now content, but she no know say e go turn out to be this way, and a lot of people come dey against her. So she had to further. She need to further the content. If she stop for this halfway, e no go well for her. Na make am say she need to further. Na make am say she dey go this length. They invite people, make them come dey talk. A lot of people dey against her. While the ones wey young new come media, that they support her because they don't know her. They don't know her story. They don't know say she be liar. This girl, a liar and a very wicked girl. She don't get conscience. She not love anybody, even her children. She not love them, because if she love her children, the things when she pass through, she for not allow her children come they pass through this emotional trauma. Now she dey cause for her children down, because her children go grow up. That's her website. They go see her. They start to use her till they bully her children. But she never know the down.